Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. I hate to go over this, but I have to. I've worked thousands of cases. I'm getting sick of saying it. I've been on the national news 10 times. Shit, just go to my website at 777irs.com. I've been on the news at least 10 times on major stations. Just wrote a book. I'm going to show you my damn book. It took a lot of time to write this book. There's my book. I really don't care whether you buy it or not, but I wrote a book. Anyway, let me tell you something about IRS tax debt that you need to know. Very important. I've worked thousands of IRS cases, worked at IRS for, a decade. So here's the thing. When you owe IRS debt, the very first thing you do, listen to me, is figure out your exit strategy. What's an exit strategy? You know, I go around teaching. I have a conference called the Tax Mob. I teach it there. What are you going to do about the debt? You know what most people do? They're like an ostrich. You know, when trouble comes, what does an ostrich do? They stick their head in the sand. Well, when you owe IRS debt, you got to say, gee, what am I going to do with it? You've got to know what you're doing with it. You can't wait till it happens. If you wait till it happens, you're screwed because now you're not prepared what IRS is going to do. The key to having IRS debt is to say, what am I going to do about the debt? That is the key. IRS has 3 programs. The Offer and Compromise program, blah, 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 blah. IRS settlements, blah, 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 blah. And not everyone is eligible. Or a payment agreement, or they'll put you in currently non-collectible. 3 programs. Currently non-collectible, payment agreement, offer, and compromise. That's it. Your current financial statement you give them when they're working with you, when you give it to them, they're going to close your case in one of those 3 ways. What are they? Payment agreement, uncollectible, offer, and compromise. So your financial statement must be ready to go in one of those directions. If you owe a large debt and you haven't figured this out, by the time the case comes to the field, you're not going to be doing well. You got to plan this ahead of time. Planning on IRS debt is key. Give me a call if you need me. Please subscribe to my channel. I tell you the things you knew. I'm a no-nonsense guy. Thank you. When you want to know the truth, talk to me.